Yo, what up? I'm Cryle. I'm a drummer, and I've been playing for 30 years. I use the Collision 2B as the size that I prefer. I've tried a couple of their other ones. Their AR reaches are pretty good with different dynamics and the hot rods. Some of the things I really love about Collision, the consistency behind each stick. I mean, they're all exactly the same, which is something I need if I'm doing stick tricks or flips. God forbid I can't catch a stick. The durability, I mean, I beat the out of these sticks and they last forever. And honestly, the company just had the right vibes. So I'm gonna go ahead and play you guys a song off our new EP. I am in a band, Immateria, and the song is called Numia.